Ah, back in Slime Rancher. Where today we're gonna do some more exploring. Because we got this part, we got the Gordo slime right there. I completely realized I forgot how much food I fed him. And then we gotta go do this way. And in the conservatory, 3 out of 3. Still gotta make discovery on those, but also I need to remember that I need to work on the upgrades here. Dang, it's a lot. Okay, so basically upgrades. Cotton plorts, pink plorts, basically all the plorts. Spare ones we can do. We also gotta make sure we do the mines. Which I sadly do not have yet. But with a little work, we'll get to it. Okay, so. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to slow my roll. Yeah, I had a feeling. Alright, here. There. Better. Let's just put all these in for now. Ah, crap, I can't. Crap. Go away. Okay, someone's not listening. When I said go away, I mean it. Okay, hold on. Bye. And good riddance. Okay, well. And goodbye. There you go, you're all safe. Nothing up here. Oh, that poor little creature. Where are you all coming from? Oh, I know it. Bye. Okay, so Gordo's this way, right? This is the path I had to go. Hey, buddy, you ready for more? Oh, here we go. What the heck? What's this? Oh. Based on my prize. What does this do? That's my question. Oh, I think I see now. Hey! No way! Oh, I see Tarrs, but that's so cool! Awesome! But first I need to take care of these Tarrs. Or they took care of themselves. That was fast. Hey, little Tabbies. Ooh! Ember Valley. I can teleport to different islands? That's... The ancient world, oh my gosh. I want to go down there so badly, but I don't have enough inventory. I'll be back. Oh, here they are. Oh, he just exploded. Bye. And you. Bye. Ow. Wow, you guys are jumpers. Alright, now you. Hey! Go away. Alright, now you. Any more? Oh boy. Oh boy, they really did not survive. We got to be careful. Free carrots! Oh no. Oh, there's no point. I can't grab it. I don't have enough room. Or he can have it. That works. Alright, I need to head back. Well, dang gum. Thank you. Ah. Come with me, come on. Oh no you don't. I said go away. Behave everybody, I'll be back. Another slime! Hello! I don't have any food for you right now, but I'll be back with some. Okay, another discovery. We found another Gordo. He was right near my house the whole time. And we got a new message. And I'm out of stamina. Great. Oh wait. Oh, pink went down in price. These ones also went down in price. Tabby plorts didn't change. That's good. We have phosphorus. Also went down in price. Alright, let's see what this new message is. Mochi Miles. Well, what do you know? Beatrix Lippo off on another adventure and didn't think to take her good pal, sometimes rival, and forever mentor, Mochi Miles. Seriously, Bay. Or B, next time you go running off to dangerous, uncharted territory, could you at least give me a heads up? I like to be there for you in case you need me. To help collect those valuable resources that seem to be scattered all over the island. What? You think I was going to do a little recon on my own? What good are surveillance satellites if they can't snoop on stuff? I am so sorry for my reading. Anyway, be careful out there. The island gives me a kind of weird vibe, so I'm going to keep poking around. Oh, and since I know you're starting to scratch out there, take this refinery link. Should make things easier for you. I'll just put it on your tab later, Tater. Oh, cool. Thank you. Alright, well, I donated some plorts. Let's see how much that gave me. Okay, now we got this one. Resource harvester. Nice. I can now harvest resources. Art module. I need one more pink plort. I need more con plorts. Boom plorts. Oh yeah, the isle. I just left there. Phosphorus and radiant ore. Okay. Tabby plorts. That makes sense. Still unknown. Deep brine and rock plort with silky sand. Interesting. I should probably write that down. Okay. I wonder who it is this time. Oh, I know you got... Hold on. Before we get there, let me just feed them. Hold on, I'm coming. Here you go, and here you go. There you go, guys. Feel better? Now we can put these in the refinery. Perfect. Okay, now let's go check the message. And I really need to upgrade my stamina. This is ridiculous. Okay. Oh, Victor. Hello, Beatrix. Seeing as you've taken an interest in building gadgets, I put together a little housewarming gift in support of both your pragmatic and creative endeavors. Looking forward to seeing what you build. A med station! A observatory table. Chair. Cool. Right, we can use this to see our blueprints. A simple round table and a chair. Oh my gosh, this is so much to discover. Oh wait, did he give me the items? Oh. Oh, I get it. Hold on. Let's put it near the door. Right here should do it. Got it. That's it. You're a gadget pro now. Discover more blueprints. Oh my gosh, this is dope. I also got some chairs. Okay, hold on. Let's put the table down. Pronto Mart link is now online. Stop for the best deals in the galaxy. Wrong button. Let's put the other table right here. And now the chairs. Oh, I can rotate, thank God. And last but not least, this one right here. Wrong button. Ooh, let's go check out the mart. Pronto Mart. Polestar Provisions is online. Polestar Provisions has everything a ranger could ever need and more. Check back regularly for new stock. Cuckoo Corner is online. Cuckoo Corner has crazy deals and on new and exclusive items every day is a surprise. Cuckoo. Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice. It has like decorating items. Oh my God, there's so much to do in this game. Okay, what was this one? Interesting. Oh my God, they put so much in this game. I love it. Maybe we should put the med station over here. Oh well. We got more exploring to do. Even though we got a Gordo slime right there, we're going back to Ember Island to get some lava plorts. I'll come back later. While I put all these... Oh, wow. Safe and sound. Oh. Actually, was there anything this way? There you go. Go ahead, little guy. Need help? Yeah, you do. Oh! There you go. What is over here anyway? Ooh, secret area. Huh? What? No way! I found deep brine! Excellent! Or cheat by doing that. Alright, so let's head to the new world. If I can remember how to get there. Okay, thank God. Hope they like cube berries. What? Give me that one. Oh, the phosphorus. My bad. Oh boy. Okay, so I have no idea where I'm going. I need to find a map. You got all this food to yourself, dude. Oh my god, there's so much food here. But I don't see any lava ones yet. And I don't see any maps yet. Oh. A new slime. Angler slime. You're coming with me. Oh. Can't tell because there's... Oh, what? Wait, do anglers explode? Oh, that's a yes. Ooh. This is amazing. Oh? No, just another dead end. That sucks. If I want to go anywhere, it looks like I have to go this way. Oh, yep, they're mad. Maybe I should come back later. Okay, they don't like Q-berries. That's a noted thing. Alright, let's head home. Okay, we're finally back. There you go, guys. We just saw these pink ones because we kind of don't need them. Did I seriously just... Yes, I did. I'm guessing you guys are hungry? Yeah, you are. Brad. Hold on, guys. I'll be with you in a second. Ooh. Here, let me help. There you go. Sorry for the wait, guys. I don't want to starve you, but I'm working on a lot of other stuff. Which reminds me, I need to start making a garden so these guys can eat. Where? Oh. Perfect. Now I'll have a bunch of Q berries for the guys, because I think, if I'm correct, phosphorus love fruit as well. Yes, they do. Especially Q berries. That's good. Now, I have enough for this and this. But let me check to make sure. Okay, I need a lot more deep brine, that's for sure. But we're gonna upgrade this. Perfect. Oh. Hmm. Ooh. Slime jail? Really? Oh my gosh, there's so many things. Okay, that one I want. But now I need another slime for this anglerfish plort. And it says that anglerfish plorts are up. And I think this is a good stopping point for the day. We did a lot of discovery. We discovered a new island, got attacked by a bunch of Tarrs, and we were making good progress. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Your choice, not mine. I will see you all next time, where, hopefully, these Tarr slime guys can get more friends. I cannot believe I almost said Tarr. I am so sorry.